learned how to help her, maybe she can help you. We are not here to blow up your spot or to take down your crew. I just want to remove an innocent from a situation before it's too late. Now let what happened. Yeah, happened, isn't it?
Carter, they're out business. Took a big stash. Who's that? Tony. Those. It's trying to come up to take it. Who was it? Who was it? He does it once like this.
How do we find them?
I want to find out who. They won't come to that room.
All right. Names and numbers. Twice in one day, Sheriff. I think you've been so hard to lock down.
Well, getting played.
How exactly did I play you?
You knew you were announcing my job. That's what I keep your heads up.
Must have slipped my mind.
See, I think this is all just a game to you. Well, I'm here to tell you that my department and the lives of the people who work here are not chess pieces, Miss Raj.
I never said they were. I've just become aware of inconsistencies in leadership ethics. And I feel that my brand of unison, cohesion, and efficiency could do wonders here. Nepotism and cowboy diplomacy have no place in a sheriff's department. I'm sure you would agree.
Personally, I got a soft spot for cowboy diplomacy. But with nepotism, we agree. Fortunately, that's not what this was. Deputy Harris was right. LAPD was pinning a lot of that. Here's how I see it. You're letting a corrupt police officer walk for your own political benefit as you aim to run a department you've never worked in. And you think you can do it better than all the people who climb their way up.
Think of me as the antidote to a systemic cancer of complacency and backwards leadership that promotes dissent amongst our law enforcement agencies. I am going to unite this county as the time for renegade justice is over.
I wouldn't be so sure about that. Sorry. You and I. The Johnson case, however, far from over. Thanks for stopping by. Yeah, what's up?
Need your help, Sheriff.
So what happened? What if I do? I swear to God I'll kill him myself. Damn straight. Hey, come here. Where you going? You protect my bag, kid. Yeah, you right. You really think you can win?
Against Hollister, we'll see. Against you, easily.
Never were one to pull punches.
My dad always said, if you're gonna punch, punch.
Okay, how's this? You're just a soup girl.